Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Righto guys, let's have a look at something that's very interesting, and that is of course commission, earning and percentage of sales, right? Commission, guys, is something very interesting. I think at a later stage in your life maybe you will come across certain jobs and things where you earn commission. Let's have a quick glance at it, right? Oops. Righto, right, and there you can see the guys are so happy. What is commission, right? It's a payment based on sales percentage. Incentives to salespeople, you get a certain percentage of the turnover or whatever you sold as a bonus. Example, 2% on car sales, right? Something like that over there. Yes guys, there are just so many different usages for percentages, honestly. And I really hope that after this lesson you will have a full understanding of how percentages do work. Okay, let's look at the calculating of commission. Yeah, you can see the guy's busy working out his commission already. First thing is of course the formula, and the formula is quite easy. It's your commission equals the sales amount multiplied by the commission rate. So number 2 is an example. You sold a car for $20,000, your commission rate is 2%. So let's look at the result. Your result is going to be $20,000 multiplied by 0.2, because 2% divided by 100 will give us 0.2, which equals you with $400. That's not a bad commission, guys, really it's not. And let's go and look at a real estate agent. Oh, these guys really do make good big commissions, eh? Honestly, they do, because I was in that game myself. Righto. The first thing is, of course, you sold a house for $300,000. Second thing that we have to look at is your commission rate is 3%. It will vary from estate agent to estate agency where you're working. This could vary even up to 5% in some places, right? And then of course, number 3, you earned $9,000, because 3% is 9,000 of 300, right? I mean, 3% of 300,000 is of course 9,000. Heish, that's not a bad salary to earn. Wow, righto. Okay, let's see. Insurance sales example. This is another occupation, guys, where people do make big money. But of course, with AI that's coming in and all these things over here, all these jobs, guys, are going to be changing. Believe me if I tell you that. Right, let's look at the first one. Point 1. And that is, of course, you have sold a life insurance policy for $50,000 worth of value. The second point is your commission rate is 5%. Well, so we have to work out 5%, that was going to come over now. We are going to be doing the calculation to see how much you have earned. So basically 5% of $50,000 gives us $2,500. So that just on that one sale of insurance that you have sold, you have earned $2,500. That is not bad. If you can sell an insurance policy, let's say sell 2 a month, you can have quite a good living. But like I said, guys, watch out for AI. Righto, a practice problem. Electronic store. Wow, what is it? Oh, okay, fine. I can guess now already. A computer sale. The scenario, 10% commission on all sales. Wow, that's not bad, huh? Now the sale, $1,000 for a laptop. Hey, that's not bad. $1,000 for a laptop. It must be quite a good laptop. Okay, let's have a look at it. The question, how much commission is earned on this over here? Right, guys, I think at this point of time it's a good idea to pause the video, and once you have paused the video, do the solution, and once you finish the solution, we can always just continue with the video and you can see how I solved the solution.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Righto, I assume that you have paused the video and you did your solution, and now let's just check the solution and see what has come up. Righto, the solution. Commission equals us with the $1,500. The $1,500, 10% is the same as 10 divided by 100, and that gives us $150. So you earned $150 on this one commission, on this one computer that you had sold. Just think if you can sell a computer every day. Wow, that is not bad.
Please check your solution and correct where needed.
Okay, let's have a look at one more example. Car sales. Wow, you sold a car for $25,000 and you got 3% commission. Once again, guys, also the commission rate also always depends on the employer where you're working. It could be 1%, it could be 0.5%, it could even be 10% like you saw on the computer. So yes, car number 2, you sold 2 cars in one day. Can you believe this? $15,000 car, and you only got 2% commission on this car. Oh my gosh, you see, the commission rate varies. The more expensive the car you sell, the higher the commission you'll be getting. Most probably that's how it works by this firm. So guys, let's have a look at it. The question, what is the question? They want to know the total commission earned on both cars. Righto. And once again, pause the video, solve the solution, and once you've got the solution, guys, watch the video again to see the solution.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you have paused the solution. Let's look at car solution number 1. Okay, that is $25,000. 3% is the same as 3 divided by 100, which will then give us $750. So you earned $750 on this car over here, and you didn't even give the guy a cup of coffee. Can you believe it? Car number 2, let's have a look. Once again, $15,000 times 2 divided by 100 to convert the percentage to a decimal, and that gives you $300. And still you haven't bought the guy a cup of coffee. Can you believe this? Why are you guys so cruel? Anyhow, the total commission is pretty easy. It's a $750 plus a $300, which will give us $1,050 commission in one day. Not bad. You can buy a couple of cups of coffee with that there, hey?
Please check your solution and correct where needed.
Righto, let's go and have a look. Whoa, yeah, some real happy people. They must have had some big fat commission checks. Righto. The key takeaways: percentage of sales. Righto, that is one type of commission that you'll be getting, guys. The other one is the formula: sales times the rate, whatever. And of course, rates vary by industry. That's what I've been telling you all the way along, that your commission rate will always differ from, never mind from industry, from the one company to the next company. The interest of your commission rate will differ, just depending on where you are working and how kind your boss is going to be.